Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Motorola. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then you need to choose System. Following that, click on Gestures over here and tap on one-handed mode. Now, if you are using Tricky's navigation, scroll all the way down and click on this gray sweater next to one-handed mode shortcut. Choose Got It in the pop-up and tap on Home button. Now you can use one-handed mode by tapping on this shortcut over here. To go back, click on this area or swipe up. You can move your shortcut by holding it and dragging it wherever you wish to. In order to disable it, you need to go into exactly the same settings and tap on the same sweater. If you are using gestures though, I need to change my navigation real quick to show you. Go into exactly the same one-handed mode settings, but this time click on this gray sweater in order to activate it. Then scroll down and tap on Pull Screens into Reach over here in order to use one-handed mode. Then follow all of those instructions. To use one-handed mode, swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can go back the same way. If you wish to disable it completely, tap on the same No Blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!